Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. How good is your eye vision? Let's test them and see. Can you read that sign all the way over there? How about those tiny letters on your phone? We take our vision for granted every single day, but it's one of our most important senses. Your vision connects you with the world around you, allowing you to experience the beauty of nature, the thrill of a movie, and the joy of seeing the faces of loved ones. So protect it if you could. In this video, I'm going to give you my top tips for maintaining healthy vision for life. We'll cover everything from regular eye exams to the best foods for your peepers. Here are a few critical factors that can help you retain your vision for your entire life. Let's kick things off with the foundation of good eye health, regular eye exams. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Getting your eyes checked isn't just about updating your glasses or contact lens prescription. It's about catching potential problems early on, before they even have a chance to affect your vision. Think of it like going to the dentist for a cleaning. You might not think anything is wrong, but they can spot those tiny cavities before they turn into major toothaches. The same goes for your eyes. An eye doctor can detect subtle changes that you might not even notice, like early signs of glaucoma, macular degeneration, or even systemic diseases like diabetes. Early detection is key, my friends. Many eye conditions are highly treatable, especially when caught in their early stages. So how often should you be seeing your eye doctor? Well, that depends on a few factors, including your age, overall health, and any pre-existing eye conditions. But as a general rule of thumb, aim for a comprehensive eye exam at least once every 2 years. And if you have any concerns about your vision, don't hesitate to schedule an appointment sooner rather than later. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. You know I love talking about nutrition, and your eyes are no exception. What you put into your body directly affects your eye health. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your eyes need a balanced diet packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to function at their best. So what are the superstars of eye-healthy foods? Let's start with leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. These are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Next up, we've got those colorful fruits and veggies like carrots, sweet potatoes, oranges, and berries. These are packed with vitamins A and C, which are crucial for maintaining good vision and protecting against cataracts. And don't forget about omega-3 fatty acids. You can find these in fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, as well as in walnuts and flax seeds. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining the health of your retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye. So make sure you're fueling your body with the right nutrients to keep your eyes healthy and happy for years to come. Chapter 3. Screen time in your eyes, finding a healthy balance. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, screen time. In today's digital age, it's nearly impossible to avoid staring at screens for hours on end. Whether it's our computers, phones, or TVs, our eyes are constantly bombarded with blue light. Now, blue light in itself isn't all bad. It helps regulate our sleep-wake cycle and can even boost our mood. But excessive exposure to blue light, especially from our devices, can take a toll on our eye health. Think about it. When you're glued to your screen, you tend to blink less, which can lead to dry, irritated eyes. Plus, the blue light emitted from these devices can penetrate deep into your eye, potentially damaging the retina over time. But don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to ditch your devices altogether. Instead, let's focus on finding a healthy balance. One simple trick is to follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and focus on something at least 20 feet away. This helps reduce eye strain and gives your eyes a much-needed break from the blue light. Another tip is to adjust the brightness and contrast of your screens. Lowering the brightness, especially in low-light conditions, can reduce eye strain. And consider using blue light filters or glasses to minimize your exposure to those harmful rays. Chapter 4. Sunglasses, your eye's best defense against the sun. We all know that sunscreen is crucial for protecting our skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. But did you know that your eyes need protection too? Just like our skin, our eyes are vulnerable to damage from UV radiation. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can increase the risk of cataracts, macular degeneration, and even eye cancer. That's where sunglasses come in. Think of them as sunscreen for your eyes. A good pair of sunglasses acts as a shield, blocking out those harmful UV rays and protecting your delicate eyes. But not all sunglasses are created equal. When choosing sunglasses, look for ones that offer 100% UV protection. This ensures that your eyes are fully shielded from both UVA and UVB rays, and don't be fooled by the price tag. You don't need to break the bank to find effective sunglasses. There are plenty of affordable options available that provide excellent UV protection. So, make it a habit to wear sunglasses whenever you're outdoors, especially during peak sun hours. Your eyes will thank you for it in the long run. Chapter 5. Light up your life, protect your sight. The importance of proper lighting. We often underestimate the importance of proper lighting, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining good eye health, especially as we age. When we read or work in dim lighting, our eyes have to work harder to focus, which can lead to eye strain, headaches, and fatigue. Over time, this constant strain can take a toll on our vision. So how can we create an eye-friendly environment? First and foremost, make sure you have adequate lighting in your workspace or reading area. Natural light is always best, so try to position your desk near a window. If natural light isn't an option, opt for bright, full-spectrum light bulbs that mimic natural sunlight. These bulbs provide a more balanced spectrum of light, reducing eye strain and fatigue. When reading, make sure the light source is positioned behind you and slightly above your shoulder. This helps to minimize glare and shadows, making it easier for your eyes to focus on the page. And remember, it's not just about the amount of light, but also the quality of light. Avoid harsh fluorescent lighting, which can be harsh on your eyes. Instead, choose warmer, more natural light sources. Chapter 6. See clearly, live brilliantly. Your journey to lifelong eye health. So there you have it, folks. My top tips for maintaining healthy vision for life. Remember, taking care of your eyes today can help you maintain your vision for a lifetime. It's all about making simple yet impactful changes to your daily routine. From scheduling regular eye exams to nourishing your body with the right foods and protecting your eyes from the sun, every step you take contributes to a lifetime of clear, healthy vision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos.